Carlos, what are advertising methods you use to find new clients? Any physical advertising methods or digital? Any advice on that? What are advertising methods you use to find new clients?
So it depends on where you are in your business journey. Like if you have some money to spend on ads with driveway sealing, I think Google Ads is good because it's very high search intent. A little bit better results with that than Facebook ads compared to other services. If you're just starting out, like I said, knocking on doors, having your door hangers, and another thing that's been killer for us are like the PVC signs, like little plastic signs, just what you're doing and then your phone number, and that's it. Like that's kind of how we started. I started with just the door-to-door and door hangers. That's plenty enough to get you started if you're just starting out. If you do have a bit of money to do some ads, I'd recommend starting with the Google ads. If you don't know what you're doing, maybe like looking for someone to help you out with that. After that, yeah, like making sure you get referrals, and then doing quality work, using high quality products, doing quality work and asking for referrals, having a good Google My Business profile. Huge.
Huge. We actually, and my team will post this link in the chat, but one of the things that is really good is we put together a multi-channel marketing blog post. It speaks about advertising, speaks about the marketing, Google My Business, all the different pieces. Facebook ads from a geo-targeted perspective has worked so well for so many of our clients. You can actually go into the granular, you can set the actual radius where you want to target the actual ads to display, what people's interests are. So imagine it was like renovations, imagine it was like lawn care, gardening, home improvement. These people care about their properties, and therefore they're more likely to become a lead of yours that you can convert from a marketing qualified lead over to a sales qualified lead. Just make sure that when you're running those ads that you have a really good solid landing page that is on your website. It's really important.
Yeah. Another benefit of Facebook ads, to touch on that, is that it's really easy to set your budget. So if you only have $50 to spend, you can spend $50. It's a lot easier to manage, I'd find, when starting out, if you're going to do it yourself. So yeah, like Facebook ads is a good way to go. Yeah, for sure.
For sure. So hopefully that helps answer that question, Carlos.